Let's go, everyone. Today we are unboxing a Quest Diagnostics COVID test. So let me show you the packaging. All right, pretty basic self-collection kit for COVID-19. Quick guide. Here are the instructions. Here's the bag that you put the finished sample in. Once you're done, there's a piece of desiccant in the bag. Keeps out moisture. Here's the vial with where you put the sample. Put the sample into. 0.9% saline solution. Fill out patient's name, date of birth, date of collection. Expires in a couple of years, so here is the vial, and then here's the swab. So you peel open the swab, follow the instructions on collecting the sample in your nostrils. Then you break at this perforation over here, then drop the swab into the vial. Then after you do that, then you put this vial in here and mail it back. So I've done this kit a few times. Yeah, feels pretty official in my opinion. But yeah, just wanted to show you all the unboxing of the Quest Diagnostics self-collection kit for COVID-19. Thanks everyone. Please like and subscribe for future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Bye.